guys, let me show you how to add contact photo on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started, but first, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, for this we are gonna find Contacts app first, which looks like this. Now, open it and choose a contact. For example, let's edit my profile. I'm gonna click on my icon, and here we just need to click on this little pen icon with the edit name in it. So now we have three options. We can open camera and take a photo right now. We can choose gallery to add a photo from the gallery, and we can use AR emoji. Just like this, we can create it from image. So we can also click right here to add these funny people and click this more button to see even more options. Let's choose from the gallery this little cute teddy bear, for example. So we can adjust its size like this, and we can select it and then click done. And now you just click save. And voila! You can see the changes right here in My Profile tab. And that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.